Hi, my fellow investors. So last night, when I was looking through my M1 Finance portfolio, I discovered that you can actually create a pie inside of a pie. So I'm gonna show you that right now. Uh, as you guys can see, I was able to add another pie inside of my pie. So last night when I was going through my M1 Finance account, I was thinking of updating my portfolio. So when I discovered that I was able to do this, I thought of a way on how to update my portfolio. So I will show you that in a little bit. I will be creating three pies within my pie. They will be stocks, real estates, and bonds. And within the stock, I will be putting these pies: industrial, tech, consumer, consumer defensive, finance, no dividend, healthcare, consumer cyclical, communication, and I will be finally separating energy and utilities because the real estate will get its own slice of the pie. So I will be separating real estate and I will be adding bonds. So, all right, I wrote all the stocks down so that I won't forget any, and I'm going to be adding some more stocks. All right, let's do this. So this is how my portfolio used to look like. I recorded this video before I changed my portfolio. So as you guys can see, I have 10 different slices of my pie, which are industrial, tech, consumer defensive, real estate, finance, no dividends, healthcare, consumer cyclical, communication, energy, utilities. Once you click into those slices, you'll see my different stocks. So this is how my portfolio used to look like, and it needed a little bit of upgrade, and it needed some change. That's why I changed it into this. So this is my new money maker portfolio. As you guys see, there's only 3 slices now of my main pie. Uh, these are real estate, stocks, and bonds. I put 10% real estate, 80% stocks, and 10% bonds. For the real estate, I have all my stocks from my real estate pie, but I just added the public storage and I put 15%. So for bonds, I put 10%. And for this, I put the Vanguard Total Bond Market. Um, I'm not sure if I'm gonna add more bond on this one, but as of now, I'm just gonna leave the Vanguard Total Bond Market. As for stocks, I have all my stocks from my old pie. The only difference is I separated energy and utilities. On my energy pie, I added Magellan Midstream. In my utilities, I added Duke Energy and WEC Energy Group. So yeah, this is my new pie, guys. Hopefully it will perform better. I just changed it because I want to diversify it more. I just want it to look a lot cleaner. I just wanted to really add bonds into this portfolio, and I just wanted to separate the rates from the normal stocks. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. This weekend, I'll update you how my M1 Finance performed this week. So I'll see you guys.